Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will see indexing in NumPy array. Okay, so should we know that when we talk about array, then array means the collection of same kind of values. Okay, it is the collection of homogeneous elements. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, when we make array, then array collect the value, okay, by contiguous location. So array index start will index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So in this way we create the array elements. So in this video I will show you how you can access array element by using index number. Just keep in mind, if we are talking about the first value of array, then we are talking about index number 0. If we are talking about second value, then index number 1. If we are talking about third value, then index number 2 and so on. Okay, so we can easily understand by this example, as we know that we are understanding the concept of numpy. That is why we have to import numpy. So first of all, we will import numpy as np. What is the meaning of this statement? We are importing numpy, and as np means what? Instead of numpy we will write np to call array function. Okay, now in second line you can see array equal to np dot array. What is the meaning of this statement? Array is what? Here we will assign array in array, a array. Okay, np dot array, we are calling array function and we are passing the array element 1 2 3 4. These are four elements. One is at 0 number index, 2 is at 1 number index, 3 is at 2 number index and 4 is at 3 number index. So you can easily understand the index number. Suppose we are accessing the value number first, then how will you access? Print array and square bracket you will pass 0. What is the meaning of this statement? Means you are accessing first value. 0 number index means 1, so output will be 1. Suppose here you are going to change the index number with 2. What is the meaning of this statement? Means np dot array, here you can count 0 number index, 1 number index and 2 number index. So 2 number index is what? 3, so output will be 3. Okay, one more example you can take. Suppose you are taking 1. What is the meaning of the statement? Print array. Here array means we are accessing np dot array, whatever you will access that will assign into ar. So ar1 means you are talking about 0 number index and this is 1 number index. 1 number index means 2, so output will be 2. So in this way you can access element by indexing. So this is one dimensional array. Suppose you are taking two dimensional array. In that case, what will you do? In two dimensional array, then there are concept of row and columns. Okay, so you can understand by this example. First of all, again you have to import numpy as np. Why we are taking? Because here we are implementing array by using numpy. So we have taken array np dot array. We are using numpy array, and here is what? Two dimensional array means row and column. So you can easily understand. Suppose we will write array this way: 1 2 3 4 5, and row and column by I am writing 6 7 8 9 and last one is 11. So in this way. Okay, so this is what? Row number, this is row number 0. I am mentioning here row number 0. Okay, row number 0, this is what? Row number 0. This is not the element, just keep in mind row number 0. And this is what? Row number, just keep in mind for your understanding, I am row number 1. These are separate elements. Okay, array elements. Row number 0, row number 1. And for your more understanding, I am here creating column. This is column number 0. Column number 0. For your understanding, I am making here column number 0. Okay, and here column number 1. Column number 1. Here column number 2. Okay, and again column number 3 3 and column number 4. Okay, for your understanding I am creating here. Okay, column number 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so column number 0 and row number 0. So in this way we will mention these are the elements. So 1, if we talking about the address of 1, what is the address of 1? Row number 0, column number 0, 0 0 0 0 means 1 value. What is the value of this? What is the address of this 2? Row number 0, column number 1, so 0 1. Okay, again this is what? Row number 0, column number 3 2, so 0 2. 4 is what? Row number 0, column number 3 0 3. And what is the address of 5? Row number 0, column number 4 0 4. Okay, suppose you are calling, you are accessing 0 4 means you are accessing 5. Same, row number 1, column number 0 1 0 means 6. Here is what? 1 1 means 7, 1 2 means 8, 1 3 means 9, 1 4 means 11. So in this way you will access. This is for your understanding only. This is okay. Now let's understand 2D array. Import numpy as np, and this is 2D array. np.array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11, and we are accessing fifth element 1 4. What is the meaning of this 1 4? Here you can easily understand. 1 means row number 1, 4 means this 4, column number 4. So column number 4 means 1 0 1 2 3 4 means the last one. Okay, so 4 means 11. What is the output? 11 will be the output. I hope you understood. Once more I am telling you, here is what? Column number, row number 1, column number 4. So row number 1 and column number 4, last column, so 11. Okay, so 11 will be the output. In this way you have to find out. Now 3D array. If we talk about 3D array, then here is what? 3D array. Import numpy as np, array np.array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now array 0 1 2. Here you have to understand, there are 0 means what? First of all you have to understand array 0 1 2. 0 means there are two pair of arrays. 0 means we are talking about what? 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. We are talking about 0 means two array. Here there are two array 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. This is 0 means. And what is the 1 means? 0 contain two array. Okay, just keep in mind 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is the meaning of this 0. Now what is the meaning of this 1? 1 means in this array, 0 number array, we have to find out row number 1. This is row number 1, this is row number 0, this is row number 1. Row number 1, okay fine, this is row number 1, row number 1, this is what? Row number 1. Okay, in row number 1 we have to find out column number 2. Column number 2 means this is 0 1 and 2 means 6, so output will be 6. So in this way you have to calculate. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt in array indexing, you can write into comment box. So thank you for watching.